So we are doing question from GATE 2016 Set 1 from electronics branch. So it says that the open loop transfer function of unity feedback control system is given by G of S equal to K upon S plus 2. So it is a unity feedback control system, and by default we assume unity negative feedback control system. So its open loop transfer function is given by G of S is equal to K upon S plus 2, and then it says that for the peak overshoot of closed loop system to a unit step input. So the peak overshoot of closed loop system to a unit step input to be 10%. So the peak overshoot is 10%, so we have to find the value of K. So the peak overshoot is given by MP. This is the how we denote peak overshoot. It is capital M and subscript P. So it is given by MP is equal to e to the power minus pi into zeta upon under root of 1 minus zeta square. This is whole e to the power minus pi zeta upon under root of 1 minus zeta square. So it is given to us as 10% or 0.1. So what we have to do is, first we have to find the value of zeta. So for value of zeta we have to find the characteristic equation. So the characteristic equation is 1 plus gs hs equal to 0, and it is a unity feedback system, so 1 plus gs equal to 0. So we have to put 1 plus gs equal to 0. So 1 plus k upon s plus 2 is equal to 0. So we can multiply it, so we get s square plus 2s. So s square plus 2s is equal to 0. So we can take the LCM. So what we get is s square plus 2s plus k upon s square plus 2s is equal to 0. So omega n is equal to under root of k. Compare it with the general form, s square plus 2 zeta omega n plus omega n square is equal to 0. So the value of omega n is root k, and value of 2 zeta omega n is equal to 2. So zeta is equal to 1 upon omega n. So zeta is equal to 1 upon under root k. So zeta is equal to 1 upon under root k. This we have found out that zeta, or we can say k square is equal to 1 upon zeta. Or we can say k equal to 1 upon zeta square. So e to the power minus pi into zeta upon under root of 1 minus zeta square is equal to 0.1. So we can take ln, natural logarithm of both sides. So it gives minus pi zeta upon under root of 1 minus zeta square is equal to ln of 0.1. Natural logarithm of 0.1. So natural logarithm of 0.1 is equal to 2.3. So we can write it as 2.3. Natural logarithm of 0.1 is 2.3. So pi square both sides. So pi square zeta square is equal to 2.3 and 1 minus zeta square. Pi square zeta square is equal to 2.3 square 1 minus zeta square. So we will get value of pi we can put it as 3.14. So we will finally get zeta equal to 0.59. Zeta is equal to 0.59. So k is equal to 1 plus 1 upon zeta square. So k is equal to 1 upon 0.59 whole square. So the value of k will be 2.8. So this is the formula for peak overshoot. So it was given as 0.1. So by finding the using the characteristic equation, we found the value of zeta is equal to 1 upon root k, or k equal to 1 upon zeta square. So then we found zeta is equal to 0.59 and k is equal to 2.8. So this was a very easy question from GATE 2016 based on the formula of maximum peak overshoot. This is called as maximum peak overshoot, and its formula is e to the power minus pi zeta upon 1 minus zeta square, and whole is exponential. So please like and share the video, and if you have any comment, you can comment in the comment box. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. Also you can share any feedback, or if you have any doubt in any GATE question, then you can message me. You can message me any doubt or any topic which you want me to make a video. So thank you and best of luck for your studies.